Here is the regal mullein, full glory. So this is mullein, one of the most common prairie plants in Midwest plains herbal medicines. The leaf is one of the main parts that we use. These are great poultice on the lungs or back or ribs for rib pain, broken ribs. Very good for respiratory complaints. But we use the leaf internally for kind of coughing, dry, irritated cough, and weak lungs. But the flowers that are in bloom here, this we traditionally harvest the flowers and put into an oil and use them topically massaged around the ear and in the ear canal for earaches, hearing loss, and ear damage. And the root of the plant is also used. It affects the sciatic nerve and pelvic nerves for sciatic pain, pelvic pain, lower back pain, and historically all kinds of other uses. But when you buy mullein leaf oil, you're going to pay some money because somebody's got to pick each one of those little flowers out. It takes a lot of effort. That's why you don't see it much anymore.